The questions that we need to ask about the inference in an analogy are going to focus in on just how reasonable it is to compare the two things. And the first question we're going to ask is, are A and B of the same class? So to demonstrate that, would it be fair to compare someone who's in the age group 13 to 18 with someone who is in the age group 50 to 59? Those are two different classes of individual, and so someone would probably say, hey, these things really don't equate very well. Another question to ask is, are there sufficient similarities? So if I wanted to compare the state of South Dakota with the state of North Dakota, I could probably make a pretty good argument for that analogy because of the similarities they share. It's not that they share one thing or a couple of things. It's that fundamentally they share a lot of similarities. On the flip side, another question that we need to ask is, are there major differences? So I could maybe make a comparison between the state of South Dakota and the state of New York because I find a few similarities. And then I just say, oh, here, they share these similarities, we're good. But there are some major differences between the state of New York and the state of South Dakota. And so those differences, regardless of the similarities that exist, are going to raise a flag about the potential strength of this analogy.